Hey, let me show you how you can easily and quickly remove and attach your straps on the Xiaomi Watch 2. So first of all, I'm gonna zoom in just to show you how it looks. You will get the better view. And now, what we have to do is actually rotate our device, and as you can see on the left and the right strap, we can find this metallic part. So to remove strap, we have to move this metallic part into the left side. So for example, you can use your fingernail like this, move it to the left side, and now you can find that it just jumps out. That's very simple. And now to attach it, it's a little bit harder because we have to put this part, and this part just right here in this small holes. And first we have to actually start from this left hole, and just remember to get this metallic part up to your face. When I was doing this for the first time, I just put it like this. So that's actually the wrong side. So remember to get it like this. And now what I can recommend you is to actually grab it like this. And you have to move this part like this. Hold it with your fingernail, for example. It's actually not that easy, but you will actually get it. And we have to put it here, inside this. There we go. Now let's do this one more time. Just push it into the left side as much as you can. And now you have to put this, okay, it wasn't actually visible on the camera because I just covered it with my hand, but all you have to do is just to move this metallic part into the left side and hold it all the time until you put it here. When this second metallic part just disappears, I'm gonna try to show you one more time. There we go. So what I mean is we have to hold this metallic part until this one disappears from this. So take a look. Put it here. Now it disappears, as you can see. It's actually hiding inside the strap, and we have to put it here. Now release, and as you can see, everything is fine. So that's all. I hope that this video is going to help you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.